A dishwasher is a machine designed to clean dishes, glasses, cutlery, and other kitchenware by using water and detergent. They are typically found in residential kitchens and commercial kitchens, such as restaurants and hotels. There are different types of dishwashers available in the market, including portable dishwashers. These are freestanding units that can be moved around and are typically smaller than other types of dishwashers. Built-in dishwashers. These are installed under a kitchen counter and are integrated into the kitchen cabinetry. Drawer dishwashers. These are smaller units that are installed in a drawer and are typically used in smaller kitchens or as a second dishwasher in larger kitchens. Dishwashers are designed to wash dishes using water and detergent by using different wash cycles. The most common wash cycles include heavy, normal, light, and rinse only. Dishwashers are convenient appliances that save time and energy. They are also more efficient than washing dishes by hand, as they use less water and detergent. Energy efficient. Dishwashers use less water and energy than washing dishes by hand. This can save you money on your utility bills. Hygienic. Dishwashers use hot water and detergent to clean dishes, which can help to remove bacteria and germs. This can help to keep your dishes and kitchen cleaner. Consistency. Dishwashers can clean dishes to a consistent standard, ensuring that all dishes are cleaned thoroughly. Convenience. Dishwashers can be loaded with dirty dishes and then left to clean them, without the need for manual scrubbing. This can make cleaning up after a meal more convenient. Hands-free. Dishwashers allow you to do other things while they are running. You don't need to stand around in the kitchen washing dishes. There are several top brands for dishwashers. Some of the most popular and well-known include Bosch. German-based Bosch is known for producing high-end, energy-efficient dishwashers that are known for their quiet operation and superior cleaning performance. GE. American-based General Electric. GE offers a wide range of dishwashers, including built-in and portable models, in a variety of styles and finishes. LG. South Korean-based LG is known for producing high-quality and energy-efficient dishwashers that feature innovative technology and modern design. It's worth noting that this list is not exhaustive and there are other brands that also produce high-quality dishwashers. These brands are considered as most popular and well-known among consumers.